What's up, Stush Gang? Welcome back to another day of Stushmas. Today is Stushmas Day 20. We made it to Stushmas Day 20 and we made it to Stushmas Day 20. Wow, today is going to be a very fun video. I've been anticipating filming this video for the longest. I actually planned this video out actually had this idea in November, wrote it down on my Stushmas content calendar, and knew that I had to film it for you guys. So as you guys already read from the title, today I'm going to be sharing how I create my holiday charcuterie board, my holiday charcuterie board, and I'm also going to be making a quick little drink with you guys as well. So if you guys are interested, definitely stay tuned. Be sure to leave this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below as well, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. That Stush is uploading for 25 days straight. We have 5 more days to go, and I'm very excited about today's video, so make sure you guys subscribe and also follow me on the gram at the Stush Life. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Really quickly before we start, hopefully I wasn't like shaking the camera too much in that intro. Before we start, I wanted to just share that I am no professional. I'm doing this because I really want a charcuterie board, and I figured it would be a fun thing to share with you guys on my platform. I also won't be using gloves in today's video because I'm making this charcuterie board for myself. I wash my hands. I know there's gonna be somebody like, oh my god, she's redoing her nails, da, da, da. It's gonna be okay, I promise you. I'm also gonna be sharing all the items that I use to make today's charcuterie board, but keep in mind you can remix this, you can freestyle this, you can substitute items. And yeah, last thing that I wanted to note is that my actual board is coming from Marshalls. I don't know if I mentioned that in the video, but my actual board is coming from Marshalls. I see these boards everywhere. They're at Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods for sure. You could find these boards at your supermarket. You could get them anywhere, and you can even put it on like a tray. It doesn't have to be on like a wooden board like this. There are many different ways to make this. It doesn't have to look exactly like how mine looks or anything like that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to be switching the camera to my kitchen tabletop so you guys can see how that looks, and I'm also going to be creating a quick little drink with you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, how y'all feel my little setup? I think it's cute or whatever. So let's start with the things that I'm going to be using. First, fruit. So I only have one fruit, and it is grapes. So I have some grapes. I bought both red grapes and green grapes. Still have to wash them, but that's what they look like. Of course, I picked up some cheeses. So for cheeses, I have this one. This is the Dolmetsch Dance. I got this at my local ShopRite. This is Meldan Smoked Gouda, coming from Holland. This is the Bowl and Basket goat cheese. This one is the cranberry cinnamon. I have to have something cranberry for the holidays, so I picked this one up. And then I also picked up this cheese from Trader Joe's. This is creamy Toscano cheese soaked in Chardonnay wine. It was the wine that got me out. It was the wine. And then for meats, I only have 2. If you guys know, I don't eat pork, so I went ahead and picked up this turkey uncured pepperoni. And I also picked up this honey smoked turkey as well. I picked up these Stacy pita chips for my crisps/crackers. This is the Parmesan garlic and herb flavor. These wafer crackers were picked up at Aldi. This is what they look like. And I also picked this up at Trader Joe's. If you guys watched my Trader Joe's haul, you saw when I picked these up. I've been waiting to open this for this video. I figured we have to add some peppermint, some cranberries and stuff like that for this holiday, for this Christmas charcuterie board. So I picked these up. And for our jams and jellies, I picked this one up. This is coming from Aldi. I might only be using the fig and honey spread though, which is this one, in addition to the cherry and rosemary spread. The other ones include apricot and cumin, however you pronounce it, and pear and cinnamon. So this might be ideal, but I feel like I want to use that fig and honey and the cherry rosemary. So that's what we're going with. And of course we have our boards. I actually have 2 because I don't know how big this is going to be. I feel like I'm going to start with this board. It's just me, so hopefully it's not too much. So let's go ahead and do it. Why not? Let's go ahead and do it. I think I'm going to start with my crisps. Let's move this up a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube while I'm doing this because I need to enjoy the process as well. So let's do it. Okay guys, oh my god, this is so freaking chaos. What? Y'all need to hire me, okay? I was only able to put one spread on the board, but this looks so good. I feel like I might want to add some more of these pretzels, slims, somewhere in here, just to like give it a little bit more color. We don't have no space for you to fall apart, so please hold it together, sir. Okay, how does that look? Wait, this one is broken. I gotta take you off. You messing up the vibe. You messing up the vibe. You messing up the vibe. Let me turn her this way. How's thinking cute? Let me. Oh, those are good. Those are really good. Okay, Trader Joe's. Pick it up. How are y'all feeling the board? I am going to have just a little bit of this one, but there's no space, and honestly I only have one of these. No space. Looks really good. I also didn't use any of this, the honey smoked turkey, but I used everything else that I shared with you guys today. We have our peppermint pretzel slims, we also have our cranberry goat cheese, we have our grapes, we have our wafer crisps, we have our Stacy's pita chips, we also have our Gouda, we have our pepperoni, our turkey pepperoni, prosecco cheese. Yeah, that's it. That's everything on the board. It looks really freaking good. Thumbnail please. That looks so good. I'm super impressed with this board. Let me lift y'all up just a little bit. That looks so good. Definitely comment down below and let me know if I did that or if I did that, period, because I did that. What? Love that. For my drink today, I'm actually going to be having this cranberry ginger sparkling beverage, and I'm going to just add a little bit, just a little bit of vodka to it. Just a little bit, because I have it and it says that's a good way to make it into a cocktail. Cheers guys, cheers. This is good. You taste the vodka but not too much, and that's totally fine because it is a weekday. Not gonna lie, even though I don't mind, my bedtime is rapidly approaching, so I'm not trying to be getting lit when it's time to go to bed. It's really good, but the star of the show is definitely the charcuterie board, the charcuterie board, the STUSHY board. Thumbnail. Oh my god, I did that. Understood the assignment. Yes, ma'am. I feel like I'm going to be making another one of these after Stushmas is finished, just to reward myself. But that's really it. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed creating this charcuterie board with me. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have made any of these on your own. I didn't mention in the beginning of the video, but I've made a few of these, but I made them mostly for like quick photo shoots, so definitely wasn't as in-depth as this one was. I just threw some stuff together. Half of it was probably pre-made from the grocery store. This one I actually went ahead and picked out all the things that I wanted to put on the board. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe down below as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below. Okay, please subscribe down below because there will be a lot more content in the kitchen, fingers crossed, in 2023. But subscribe down below, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Stushy's uploading for 25 days straight. We got 5 days left, and be sure to also follow me on the gram at the Stush Life. Again, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Share this video with one of your friends, let them know that you want to do a charcuterie date. And yeah, until tomorrow's video, which is Stushmas Day 21, I'll see you guys all then. Bye guys.